Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you the Vivo V20 SE Smartphone feature. Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable and use this feature. Okay, to enable it, first go to settings. In settings, slide down and go to shortcuts and accessibility, and in this go to smart motion, and you can see the smart wake, and you can see the smart wake feature. Swipe up to unlock, swipe down to take a photo, draw C to launch dialer, draw M to play music, swipe horizontally to change music, draw E to launch browser, draw F to launch Facebook. Okay, now tap over there to enable this feature. Okay, now check this out. Okay, now swipe up to unlock the phone. Now just swipe up like this to unlock the phone. You can see, swipe up to unlock the phone. You can see. Now draw C to launch dialer, and you can see the dialer launched. Draw C to launch dialer. Draw E to launch browser, and you can see browser launched. So guys, this is the smart wake feature in Vivo V20 SE smartphone. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any query related to this video, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe, and click on bell icon for the latest updates.